All right, welcome. This is the module 3 solutions for IM1 honors. Here's the last part. I am going to be covering page 7 and page 8. All right, page 7. When is g of x equals to f of x equals to g of x? Okay. This looks like it is when they're the same, right? They're the same value. Looks like they're intersecting right here. This point looks like it is at 4 comma 2. Right? So this is when x is equal to 4. Are we right? Yep. Good job. Okay. When is f of x greater than g of x? So f of x is up here. So yes, f of x is larger, 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 and it stops right here. So it looks like it's from this interval all the way to this interval. Okay, so that looks like it's what, from -1 all the way to what value? 4. Are we going to include -1? Sure, let's include -1. Are we going to include 4? Sure. Let's see what my answer is. Yep, yep. It's this whole region. And oh, I actually said this is continuous. I should have drawn an arrow. Okay. If there's an arrow here, yeah, it would be -infinity all the way to 4. So that's fine. Okay. I thought it was 1, but -1, but it kept going. Oh, and I didn't include the floor. I kept it open. So here, right, 4 would not be included. 4 would be where it's increasing. So here, it would be 4, because you see how it starts increasing from 4 here. We include 4 down here, and it goes all the way up, and that looks like this is probably an arrow. So it probably goes all the way to positive infinity. And we can't close infinity, so it should be an open bracket. Yep, 4, close at 4, all the way to infinity. Okay, depends if you want to include 4 here or not. What is f of 4 plus g of 4? So let's look at this. What is f of 4? So f of 4 is 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is what? So f of 4 is equal to what number? 2. G of 4 is equal to 2. So this becomes number 2. This becomes 2. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. So the answer here should be, oh, that's just this region right here for this answer. I'm sorry. Okay. 2 plus 2 equals to 4. Yep. Okay. This answer right here, this region, that was the answer for this 3 here. Okay. I kind of made an error by doubling the 3's here. Part 12. On the graph of a function is given to the right on the interval -2 to 3. No, from the interval -2 to 0, not including those. The function is what? Okay, let's take a look. Let's take a look. Let's take a look. So it is what? Ooh, is this the domain or range? The domain. Let's say domain. Okay, this is the domain. They're asking for the domain. All right. So -2 looks like it's right here, and it goes all the way to what? 0. Okay. So from these two intervals, is it increasing or decreasing? It's not increasing. It looks like it's decreasing. Is it positive? The function is... Oh, the function is negative, though. It is decreasing. I would believe you. Is it positive? No. It's right here. These are negative values, so yeah, that's correct. Is it constant? No, it's changing. Yep, it's this interval. Oh, I only put decreasing. It's also negative because look, this is negative values of y, so it would also be this one. If this is an interesting multiple choice question. This should be a select all. It's decreasing because look, it's going down, and it's negative because the values right here are all negatives. Okay, but it is within this interval, so it is referring to the domain. Part 13. Okay. Here's the scenario. You could read it by yourself. Some important information is, first of all, he drives slowly east. Then he drives east more rapidly until he reaches the shopping mall. Then he stops. There's a stop. So he drives slow, fast, stops. Then he returns home by on the same route as he coming, driving west fast. Then he slows down. So, hey, let's just write this down. So, hold on. So, it looks like he is what? Um, looks like, hold on. So, looks like what? He is going slow, right? Positive slowly, positive, because he's going east, right? So, north, south, west, east. Okay, here's the number line. So east is positive, west is negative. Okay. So he drives what? He drives east slowly, then he goes fast. Then he's 0. He remains here at the mall. So he stops at the mall. Then he drives back home. Is he driving fast at the start? He drives by the same route. He drives fast, so he goes fast. Left because he's going west. Then he goes slowly. Okay. Oh, it stops though. So this doesn't work. These two doesn't work because he doesn't stop. Does this one work? No, he doesn't stop. Okay, so this one doesn't work. He has to stop. There has to be a period of time that he stops for. So it's either A or B. Okay, notice here, this makes sense, right? This is slowly. This is fast. This is fast, but in the opposite direction. Then this is slow. Alright, so it wouldn't be this one. This is fast, stop, fast. So it would be B as the answer. Okay. Oh, why did I write E? Hold on, hold on, hold on. He stops at the mall for an hour. Might returns by witchcraft. Hold on, what's fast? No, it wouldn't be E. This is wrong. This is so wrong. This is wrong. This is wrong. You can argue, but this is wrong. This is so wrong. Because here, he wraps up his speed. Here, he goes to the mall, then he just turns straight down. The question says, look, he stops at the mall for an hour, so he had to be there for a while. This doesn't mean the person was there at the mall. So it can't be that one. So the answer is B for sure. Okay. 14. A bird bath is designed for overflow so that it would be self-cleaning. The water flows at a rate of 20 millimeters per minute and drains at the rate of 13 millimeters per minute. One of these graphs shows the volume of the water of the bird bath during the filling time and continue into the overflow time. So the water flows in at a rate of 20 milliliter per minute. Bird bath is designed to overflow. It will be self-cleaning, rate 20. So the water flows in, so the volume goes in at 20 per minute. Let's see. Okay, then it drains at 18 minutes per minute. Shows the volume of the bath. Then it what drains. So it fills really quick. It fills really quick, then it drains. So this looks like you fill, then here the volume stays the same. Water flows in at a rate of 20 per minute and drains out, and drains at the rate of per minute. A bird bath is designed to overflow, so it would be self-cleaning. One of these graphs shows the volume of the bird bath during the fill time, and continue into the overflow time. Oh, overflow time. Ah, check this out. It's a trick question because here's the bird bath, right? Okay. So it starts feeling, so here is it at empty, right? Then it starts filling So check it out. Do you see how it starts filling? So here you could say it's like what, 20? Then here it's gonna fill, right, to everything. So do you see how this is at 40? Okay, this is time, right? This is time. So you're adding more time here, more time, more time. At the end, right? This is more time. You're adding more time. Look, it's still what? At what? 40. It never goes back down. The water never goes back down. So this is wrong. This is wrong. This makes no sense because this here is the volume is constant. No, it starts empty and it fills. So it's either this one or this one. This has no overflow. This has no overflow. So the only correct answer is this one. Because look, you fill it and it keeps the volume of 40 forever because that's when the bird bath is full. Okay? It's like your bathtub. This doesn't make sense. Just take out the word bird bath and put it as your bath. Okay? But that's it. Those are all the solutions for the Reiew packet. The answer here is A.